In today's video, I'll show you how to merge contacts in Zoho Desk so you can clean up duplicate entries and keep your customer data well organized. This is especially useful when the same customer has been added more than once with different details. Start by logging into your Zoho Desk account and landing on the main dashboard. From the left side menu, head to the Customers section. This is where all your contact records are stored. Once you're inside Customers, open the contacts list and look through the entries to find the contacts you want to merge. When you've identified the duplicate contacts, select them carefully. After selecting the contacts, look for the Merge option in the interface and click on it. Zoho Desk will prompt you to review the details before continuing. Take a moment to confirm that these are the correct contacts, since merging is permanent and combines all data into a single contact record. Once confirmed, proceed with the merge. Zoho Desk will consolidate the information into one clean contact, removing duplicates and keeping your database organized. And that's it. You've successfully merged contacts in Zoho Desk. Keeping your contact list tidy helps your team work more efficiently and ensures better customer support. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.